We're also to write the first 5 terms starting with a sub 0 for the sequence described below, then determine a closed formula for the sequence. We are given the recursive definition a sub n equals n times a sub n minus 1 with a sub 0 equals 3. So we're given a sub 0 equals 3, and now let's determine a sub 1. When determining a sub 1, notice n is equal to 1. A sub 1 is equal to 1 times a sub n minus 1 is 1 minus 1 or 0, giving us a sub 0. And 1 times a sub 0 is 1 times 3, which is 3. And now let's determine a sub 2. When determining a sub 2, notice n is equal to 2, which gives us 2 times a sub n minus 1 is 2 minus 1, which is 1, giving us a sub 1. 2 times a sub 1 is 2 times 3, which is equal to 6. And now we'll determine a sub 3. For a sub 3, n is 3, which gives us 3 times a sub n minus 1 is 3 minus 1, which is 2, giving us a sub 2. 3 times a sub 2 is equal to 3 times 6, which is 18. And now we'll determine a sub 4. When determining a sub 4, n is 4, which gives us 4 times a sub n minus 1 is 4 minus 1, giving us a sub 3. 4 times a sub 3 is 4 times 18, which is equal to 72. And now we need to work on determining a closed formula for the sequence 3, 3, 6, 18, 72, and so on. Now if we take a look at the common sequences below, we need to be careful here. For most of these sequences, notice the first term is a sub 1, and our first term is a sub 0. So what we'll do is ignore a sub 0 and focus on the sequence of 3, 6, 18, 72, and so on, and see if we can determine a sequence below that resembles this sequence. So if we take a look at the factorial numbers given by a sub n equals n factorial, we have 1, 2, 6, 24, and so on. And notice 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 6 is 18, and 3 times 24 is 72. So let's try the closed formula a sub n equals 3 times n factorial. Now, I need to make sure that we check this because remember, our first term is a sub 0, and for the factorial numbers shown below, the first term is a sub 1. So let's go ahead and make sure this works. A sub 0 is equal to 3 times 0 factorial. And remember, 0 factorial is equal to 1. 3 times 1 is 3. So that's good news. Let's check a few more. A sub 1 is equal to 3 times 1 factorial. 1 factorial is also 1. 3 times 1 is 3. A sub 2, this is supposed to be a 1 here. A sub 2 is equal to 3 times 2 factorial, which is 3 times 2 times 1, which is 6. Still good news. Let's try one more. A sub 3 is equal to 3 times 3 factorial, which is equal to 3 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is 18. The closed formula is correct. I hope you found this helpful.